Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a drugstore makeup product review for you guys on the new Wet n Wild Bare Focus Niacinamide Skin Tint. I'm super excited to be testing out this product, you guys, because it is from the drugstore, and you guys know I absolutely love Wet n Wild and their photo focus foundations. So when I saw that they came out with a new skin product, I really needed to try it. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try this product out and share my honest thoughts with you guys, and if you're interested in knowing how I created this beautiful glowy glossy makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I'm gonna do is go in with some moisturizer. This is the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. Next up, I want to go in with another Skin Proud product. This is their Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. I love putting this stuff under my eyes. It feels so nice and refreshing, and I just love how it preps the under eyes for makeup. Next up, I'm going to prime, and I'm going in with my favorite primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip, and I'm going to add this on my T-zone, but I'll blend it out onto the entire face. Lastly, for some extra hydration, I'm going in with the Milk Spray. This is the Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Next up, I want to color correct, and I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury color corrector, and I'm just going to add this onto areas where I have any acne scarring or hyperpigmentation, so like around my mouth and under my eyes. I'm so sad that I have like an acne growing right in the center of my forehead, like of all places, really. Time to jump in to the product that we'll be reviewing today. I have here the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Niacinamide Skin Tint, and this is 5% niacinamide, and it has hyaluronic acid in it as well as peony extract. So this is some really nice stuff. So I'm super excited to see how I like this skin tint. This is definitely a really fun product. I feel like natural makeup is really trendy right now, so I'm excited to see how I like this. So I grabbed the shade Medium Beige. I did order this online because I don't think these are in store in Canada yet, so I did order this from their website and it came from the US, so hopefully this is the right shade. I'm gonna give it a quick shake because I do feel like the product is a little bit liquidy, so let's give it a shake and I can hear the product moving. Let's go ahead in and try this product. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'll blend it out with my finger, and then I'm gonna actually use a beauty sponge. I think I did pretty good with the color choice. I don't think this is too off. And with the summer coming, I feel like I'm gonna tan, so I think this is a good shade. This product is a bit runny, so I would say work with a little bit as you go. And honestly, the consistency is pretty thick. For a skin tint, I'm surprised at the coverage that I'm getting. Honestly, this skin tint is reminding me of a very lightweight version of their dewy foundation in the photo focus version. Like, this is really good coverage, but it definitely feels lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. I'm honestly very pleased with this skin tint right now. Like, I'm loving that I'm getting good coverage, but it's not too cakey or heavy. And can we talk about the glow? Do you guys see the glow on my face right now? I'm absolutely here for it. All right, so this is one coat of the skin tint by Wet n Wild, and honestly, I love it. I love the coverage. I feel like I didn't need too much product to really cover up my imperfections, and I'm just living for the glow. I feel like glowy makeup is everything right now, like a nice glowy skin, a nice glowy base. So I'm really excited to see how the rest of the makeup turns out. I'm gonna move on and finish up the look, and then we'll see the final results. Next up, I'm going to contour with my favorite contour product at the moment, and that is the Huda Beauty Tantour. I can already tell from the formula of this skin tint that cream products is definitely what you want to go in with if you're going to use this product. Like, it's just going on like butter, and it's going on so seamlessly because the product is so dewy itself with the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid. You want to stick to your cream products. You're going to definitely find that that works better. Going to quickly contour my nose. And it's okay if it's not perfect because I will be going in with concealer just to clean everything up. Next up, I want to go in with a blush, and we're going to stick to cream blush. I have the Wander Beauty On-the-Glow Blush and Highlighter. We're going to just use the blush side, and this is in the shade Bare. I'm going to take the blush on the back of my sponge, and I'll start building that up on the face. I am loving how everything is going on so seamlessly onto this base. It's really easy to work with all of my cream products with a very hydrating base like this. Blush might look a little bit crazy, but you guys know the drill. I'm going to clean everything up with concealer, so don't worry. Next up, we are going to conceal, and I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to add this on my forehead, under my eyes, and on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the chin. This is just going to help me brighten up the face and also just clean up the blush and the contour. I'll also use whatever product is on the sponge to just kind of carve out the cheeks a little bit. Just setting the concealer in place with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm also going to set around my mouth. I'm also just going to clean up the cheeks with the setting powder. I'm going to go in with my brush and just wipe away the setting powder after about a minute because it's all done setting the concealer, and then whatever excess product I have, I will just tap on to the rest of the face just to set it. I will also set my lids in place with whatever excess product I have. I'm living for the base, you guys, but we do need to add some highlight just to finish it off. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. and Nabela Noor highlight. This is unfortunately discontinued, but it's just a beautiful gold highlight, you guys, and I've just rediscovered it in my collection and have been really fixated on it. So we will be going in with this. You guys see that perfection? This is why I'm obsessed with this highlight. I'm gonna add some on the Cupid's bow and the nose, of course. I'm quickly going to finish the rest of my makeup, so I'm just brushing through my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I quickly went off camera and did my mascara. I went in with the iconic London Enrich and Elevate mascara. So the very last thing I have to do is my lips, and I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Chestnut. And for lipstick, I want to go in with a lip oil, and I have here the Merit lip oil in the shade Sangria. And the very last thing I'm going to do is set my face in place, and I'm going in with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Water and Green Tea one. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup look. Now, in terms of my final honest thoughts on the new Wet n Wild Bare Focus Niacinamide Skin Tint is that I love it. I'm obsessed with how beautiful the base is, you guys. It's super glowy and dewy, and it's super lightweight and comfortable as well. I absolutely love how makeup went on top of this product. I feel like blending out my contour and my blush was super easy. The look really came together, and honestly I feel like I did end up grabbing the right shade just because my concealer is a little bit brighter than my natural skin tone, so I feel like it really just evened everything out. I forgot to mention the retail price of these to you guys. So these are $8.99 USD, so about $12.99 Canadian, and I think that's such a good price for a skin product. Another thing I absolutely love about this product is the coverage. For it being a skin tint, I was expecting it to be a little bit more light coverage, but honestly, I'm very pleased with how much coverage you get just with one layer. This product definitely feels buildable, so I feel like you could definitely add more and get more coverage, so definitely love that aspect of the product as well. Dewy glowy makeup is definitely very trendy right now, so I feel like this product is definitely on brand for the current makeup trends. So definitely I would recommend you guys try this product out. I love that it's a drugstore and I love that it's affordable. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys end up trying out this product and let me know your thoughts. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!